thank you for watching. Today, I wanted to transform myself into Wednesday Addams from the Addams family. This look was so much fun to create, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. So the look I wanted to create for today's video was from the iconic famous dance scene. So I have to be honest, I actually didn't watch the series on Netflix. I know, everyone and their mother did. It is on my to-watch list. I just really don't watch TV that often. But when I realized I wanted to do a Wednesday look for Halloween, I looked at all of her awesome outfits from the series, and this one was one of my favorites. So I will link everything below, all the products, the outfit, and all that good stuff. I will mention that for anyone who is looking to be Wednesday this year for Halloween, this was one of the easiest makeup looks that I've ever done. And as you can tell by the length of this video, I think it took me around 15 minutes total, which is awesome. How cool is this clip-on bang? Literally 2 seconds and it changed the whole look. So I'm gonna just tighten up my braids, make them look a little neater. And I was gonna do the same hairdo that she had when she wore this dress, but I didn't love it. I felt like the pigtail braids looked better. So I think you can really go either way. So this is the final result. What do you guys think? Comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for my next Halloween video.